So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put it in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. Hello. Happy Tuesday. What is going on? We are done with mobile. What are we doing? I don't know. Yo, Dak. What going on, Dak, dude? Welcome to the party. Very sad party. Ugh. Yeah, just hard week. Just trying to figure out what to do next. There's so much like so many assets I gotta create, and so many like graphics and stuff. Working on the production game, which I can't get to. What the fuck? Got the mobile game working. That was cool. We got a sign working. I don't like that this bitch is in my way all the time. Or like, what do you do? That's kind of how it works. I should really just... Sign looks good. Actually, like, this is legit. That works great. He works great. He is in talk. I need to make his asset. I need to make a sign for her office right here. Punching works. I don't have punching animation for him. Nothing's in his office. All these plants are broken. Not all of them. Now they are. I don't know. How you been, man? Hey, King Russia. How's it going? Welcome to the YouTube Shorts live feed. Maybe I just build out all the actual functionality that's in this level, like make him walk after you talk to him, get his full dialogue going. Maybe that'll jog some progress into this. I also need to add a bunch more shit to the actual level itself. You know, all of this. I need, like, I haven't even uploaded this. They need shit on the walls. I don't even know. Good job, dude. Dogs knocking over things. Yeah, whatever. Let's just get him walking. Let's get the full dialogue in. Oh my god. Stop hurting me. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to do that. We already had the token. A deck dude on a Twitch? Fancy. Very fancy. Alright, let's get the full dialogue for him. And I was using the actual dialogue from the book. Should I pull that up again? I think I already have it in the local site though. Let me grab it. Who's there? Yes. Oh, I got rid of it. Fantastic. Yeah, let's go grab it. You didn't think that far. Stupid. Awesome. All right. Hey, Mr. Salverson. And this is going to be... Oh, I gotta add the new character here. MC. All right. MC. And then he says, Oh, hey, Graham. Yeah, so we should probably do, hey, Mr. Sutton. Oh, I can't do that. Mr. Salverson. And then, yeah. And then he says, oops, not what I meant to do. That's what he says. Do. Oops. You know what I haven't done in a while? I have not made any music in a long time. I really haven't had time to do anything. Sad. Been pretty stressful lately. Hey! What up, Game Doodle? I don't know. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. It's good to get back into working on the game again. You know, I'm in a weird space where like I have so much in progress that's like really developed, you know, like I completely haven't spent any time on getting the products that I've developed for you. I mean, you guys know I've been developing for a while. I haven't had any time to like finalize them. I got the light switch shit, you know, on the website. I haven't even listed all the colors yet, and I really want to like spend some time on the modular shelves and get those posted as well as products to sell. And then the same for like the desk shelf and stuff like that. I just haven't been able to spend any time on that. I literally haven't been doing any 3D printing either. Like I was 3D printing every day. I've lost a lot of that time. And yeah, music. I haven't gotten hit up on Fiverr in a really long time to make any, you know, to record on anybody's songs. And the buddy that, you know, Crooktooth and stuff hasn't been. He's been really busy, and we haven't been making any music either. So And yeah, just haven't had like the drive to finish any of the covers that I've started. Like the fucking Time to Say Goodbye opera song that I started a long time ago. I have the music, I have all the lyrics ready to go, and I started recording it. I have the whole beginning part done. Just haven't been able to get anything done beyond that. And you know, I still got plenty of music to make for the game too. You know, just I don't have everything hooked up right now, but yeah, it's been rough. Life gets like that. I go through ebbs and flows, you know. And it's you know, normal shit. That's what happens when you're an adult. You run out of time to do shit you want to do. Even if it's productive. I've not spent 1 minute writing more of the book either. Book 3. Yeah, maybe if you make me do it, it'll give me some sort of drive to itch out some time to do it. Which is always fun. But like there's a lot to do with the house too, you know. So like every time I'm gonna start doing anything else, it's like, well, I could be building a fence or, you know, working on something. My office is a complete destruction zone. Yeah. Yeah, man. You coming along? Hell yeah, Doc, dude. You know, it's hard. Honestly. There's a reason my first book took 4 years to make. Yeah, that definitely. Less time you're outdoors doing shit. I mean, there's all the shit we had to pull off for winter, right? I gotta fix a bunch of shit, get the pool up and running, and you know, start doing more things outside, going on trips. You know, we're going on a trip this summer. That's going to be a massive trip for a week. That'll be crazy. And yeah, you know, go through these spurts where I get a lot of awesome shit done, and then like now I'm barely even able to stream normally. But yeah, it's good to get into this and start building more shit out. Because the game is in a good spot, you know? It's just time, really. And I'm really holding off considering even having somebody else help out with this. Because it's just not worth it. To be honest. It's not worth $1, you know what I mean? For me to have somebody else do this. Oh, that's what the dots were. It's for spaces. That's right. Very self-driven person. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty picky too. I mean, I'm good at managing, you know, agency workers and stuff like that. Like, I don't have any problem getting what I need out of people, but it's like, unfortunately for me, Yeah, especially the passion. I can do everything enough, you know, to actually accomplish what I want. That it's hard to justify having somebody else do it, and there's a lot I can't do. I can't edit my own book. It's just something, you know, I to a point you can, but like I can't final edit it. I can't do, you know, cover art on my book either. I just don't want to. I have a person that they understand the art style, so I'll have them do it. And I can't do instrumentals. I mean, I'm not a fucking shredder guitarist, so I have my buddy, well, not buddy, but whatever, somebody I worked with before, and he'll do all that music. So there's like things I know I won't do, but a lot of things I can just fucking do it. All right, Dak dude. Eat. Catch you later, my friend. Thanks for jumping on. Yeah, so I just won't eat. There's a lot of people that like I've actually kind of considered recently having somebody finish out the like maybe do a complete refresh of the store, just Orbem.shop, and because I mean I get hit up about 1,000 times a day from WordPress developers, you know, that like, hey, let me work on your shit. Even people saying, hey, you know, well, I'll do it for free. And I've definitely considered that, but I don't know. At the end of the day, it doesn't make sense to me. At this point. Obviously, if I finish up the demo and I get a good framework for Orbem, it's going to be a massive amount of work to get like the game to a playable state. It's going to be like an ongoing thing, you know? Yeah, I have way too much going on. That's just me, though. That's always been me. Way too much. I got the shop, I got the books, I got the game, I got the work, I got, you know, I got the music, I got a lot of different spinning plates that are all kind of together, though, you know? I got the streaming, the content stuff, and I'm just, but that's why ambition is actually fucking a negative, you know, in the English language, right? You're never happy with what you have, right? If you're ambitious, everybody's like, oh, you have no ambitions. It's like, it's good. It's good to be happy with what you got, right? It's not me, unfortunately. Fortunately, I'm just like, well, I gotta do something with this, right? Like, how can this make me more successful? Or, you know, I want something to be successful at the end of the day. And if it's not the book series and it's not the fucking game, it's not the music, it's not, you know, something, the content creating. I mean, I'm not really doing that anymore. I just stream, but you know, I don't, you know, I have my own success on the career side, but I need to retire. Retiring is my goal. My goal is to not work. And if any of my passion projects can help me do that, I'll take it in a heartbeat. Looks like the dialogue's working great still. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. No, yeah, I won't. I won't take anything that I've done for granted. Obviously, I'm very successful personally, you know, with the family and the work I've been able to accomplish and stuff with the career, and do a lot of shit. But I don't want, you know, there's no end to what I'm doing now. Like, I either do it forever or I figure something like a lightning strike. That's what you're always trying to figure out. It's that lightning strike moment where it's just like, boom, that's fucking huge. That's your one-hit wonder. That's your, you know, major success. That'll take you over the edge where you don't have to do the day-to-day grind, which is, it's very, you know, it's a pipe dream, right? And so, you know, technically none of this could work out for the rest of my life and I'd be fine. Technically. But emotionally, I will not be fine until something takes off. And I got to figure that out. We got to make him walk after he talks. It'll happen. Something will happen. It's just like finishing the book series is really daunting and it takes a long time. You know, I've done it twice now. I know it's possible, so I'm not worried about it, but I don't know. Like, I really want to finish this damn game demo. It's a lot of fun. It seems there's like so much functionality built into the game that like it's too big to fail, you know? Like, there's gonna be use out of it in some way or another. But the there we go. 1946. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have him walk straight up. Oh, the cutscene's called Salverson Foresight. I gotta get him. Salverson? Yeah, no matter where we are, we're there. Yeah. Yep. Definitely. Grass is always greener. Everybody's got their own grind. Yeah. And even if you're a billionaire, there's always a horizon, right? It's just, I know what my retirement amount is, you know what I mean? I know what I've gotten to a point where I understand the amount, the yearly amount that I need in order to be like completely not fucking worrying. And it's not crazy. It's not like I need millions every year to be like, okay, no, I don't have to worry. But like, it's still something that would require some success in another avenue that I'm doing. You know, the products I'm selling or the brand I'm building, the books, the music will never be that. never make any money in music, but that's just for me. Wait. I already have walking speed. Oh, I must have built this. I must have added walking speed already. All right, so the first part is, what did I say? 1946? 1946. All right. And left is, I don't know. What is his starting point? His starting left is 2438. Yeah, you can make money in anything, I guess. It just, music's a lot of work, man. I mean, if that was the only thing I had to focus on, was recording some fucking screams or scoring something, like, I mean, I haven't even had a career as a scoring movies or scoring video games or anything like that. I haven't even done that professionally, but, you know, if it was just fucking writing metal covers or just some band or something like that, like, cool. But I'm not going on tour. I'm not recording albums in LA and like flying all around and fucking doing the show. I mean, there's only music in shows these days. Like, you don't make music streaming anymore. So you have to do tours if you're going to make money. And you have to be really popular to make money on tour, right? Like, there is no more indie success. That doesn't exist anymore. Or at least what indie success is not sustainable. So, yeah, music's not the one. Not the one. But hey, if millions of people just immediately start coming to stream, yeah, I'm not really super interested in being a like a career streamer either. I might take it reluctantly just because that's what I got successful on, but that's a grind, dude. That is 100% a grind. Oh, shit. The amount of time you have to spend on camera and... Oops. Whatever. 3504. Let's just say that. If you had so many people coming to stream, your stream would be totally different. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. I mean, it'd be very similar to, you know, pirate software or whatever, where I'm just responding to people the whole time, which is a hell of a lot easier. No, kidding me? I'm good at multitasking. But it's also not like, you know, what I'm doing is that important either. Oh, shit. Bye. I forgot to set it. Well, we figured out that's not tall enough. Let's do 2,000. Walking trigger. Here we go, cutscene. I don't know why I didn't add this. Sovereign Foresight. Let's try that. I forget if it's the title or the slug. Looks like it's correct. Okay, so it's the slug. Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, I mean, I'd love to do a nightly stream and make some cash. But again, the level that I would require in order to make this a full-time career would be so much time. Because you got to do everything, man. You got to do all the videos. You can't just stream. You got to make content. You got to interact with the community at a very high level. You got to get the Patreon constantly going. I mean, you can get a team going once you get popular enough. Everybody's got like their manager team and the people editing their videos and stuff like that. So I mean, there's a time when it becomes doable, but the grind to get there is crazy. Because I mean, even my buddy that's doing the C Scott Dev, you know, he's got thousands of subscribers now on YouTube. I mean, he can't even keep up, and he's got a day job. And you can't create videos like you used to because you go through times where you're really busy. No? Not walking? Alright, must be the title. Let's try it again. I hope I got the right one. Try again. Yeah, let's go back to this view. Much better. So yeah, content creator, meh. When I was making all those shorts and stuff, I was like, I need to do this. I need to get monetizing my videos and stuff like that. I still want to monetize everything. It's all about diversifying, right? I don't mind getting a bunch of little incomes to build a big income. You know, if I had like a steady business on the books, steady business on the products, the merch, steady subscriber base that builds monetizing, and then like that works, I'm cool with multitasking like that. But that plus the day job is a fucking nightmare. Especially because I can only stream late, you know? So the sleep part is rough. Nah. The fuck? Why are you not walking? Walking trigger. I mean, I haven't made a short in a very long time. Though I was getting some pretty good. Yeah. Wait, who, Power Software? No. Or are you talking about C. Scott Dev? Uh-oh. I don't see ads. Huh. That's weird. Alright, let's see. What did I... Let's go to the cutscene. Oh, this is the cutscene. I need to go to character. What? Salverson. Looks like it's just the... Weird. Maybe I'm just spelling it wrong. Let's go to the cutscene. Salverson Foresight. Looks good. Salverson Foresight. Seems right. Maybe I'm getting the slug wrong. It's possible that I updated it and this was not originally Salverson Foresight. Purposes. Appearance. No. 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 I don't see. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's try switching it to Salverson. Maybe I changed the name after the fact. I do that sometimes, and then the slug changes. Let's try this, Salverson. And talk to me, Salverson. Oh shit, he's gone. What did I do? Wait, what? Why is he gone? That was weird. See if this works. I just remembered that there are no images next to the fucking cutscene. Why is that? That is kind of weird. Yeah, like this should be showing. Oh, that was it. He's still not going high enough. He's still walking through the wall. Alright. Yeah, why is this not showing? Just needs to be opacity 1. I mean, I have the wrong image apparently, but... And then in the cutscene itself, he should be showing. Oh, this is the cutscene. So yeah, this is his character. Yeah. Opacity 1. And then, like, it should change the style and stuff like that. It's like... something like that, right? Oh. Well, whatever. I mean, mine isn't showing though either, which is weird. Let's see if that's the case locally, and then I'll fix it. Because I would really like to get some normal talking going on. Yeah, so it's also happening here. Looks like MC is just not showing. Alright, let's see what's up. Engage cutscene. And then the whole talking logic is part of move dialog box, I think. Something like that. This is just moving the dialog box around. Yeah, here's the image. Yeah. Engage. It's not working though. Yeah, maybe it is working. It's just not showing. Like if I go engage, that works. But it's just not working. Up. Current cut character. It's probably because I changed all the whole talking logic a million times. Where is... there's map character. Nah, I don't think it's that. I think it's just... it's not targeting anymore like it was before. Like, in this case, if I just added engage... that doesn't seem to be working. Let me get rid of this one real quick. Oh, it's not working because the cutscene's closed. It's part of the cutscene. So if I did that's engaged, but the cutscene's also engaged. Oh, well, got a styling issue. I think it's just because it's not loading. That's weird that it's defaulting to that though. Yeah, something like that. So cut character, eh? What's going on here? Is this it? Is this the only place cut character exists? Okay, so I obviously didn't add the logic back. This is just getting rid of the current person talking. So move dialog box would be... So wait, cut character has a person attached to them. Yeah, data character. So I need the current character. Current character is this. No, character. Current dialogue character. I think it's this. Right? Maybe not. This is the element. Can I just get the person's name? Is it this? I think it's this. Maybe. So this or this. So blah blah blah. Remove. But I never add engage to the current. So this is current. I remove the current. And then I need to take the new person. Not current dialogue char. Dot class. Yeah, add engage. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Let's try that out. Alright. Let's see. Oh god, no. Why am I here? Why did you stick me in the room? Okay, come on. Wait. Then click new game. Yeah, there's some delay. Alright. Yes, I know I need to add those two. Show me cutscene images. No. No. Yeah, so I don't think it's correct. So I need to know what this shit is. Because I'm definitely not looking at the data character of anything, so it's not doing it right. No, he has one, yeah. I think it's just what I'm looking at, because we're doing all the talking shit, and I think the talking works fine for cutscene areas. So it knows who's who. Make talk. And voice is coming from something. Where's voice coming from? Voice is coming from the character. Where are you coming from, voice? Boop. Character dialogue. Okay. No, that's from the actual dialogue itself, though. That's right. Yeah, see, I do the data voice here. Nope. Wonder if I should put data character as well. And then just, you know, because I think that was the whole point. Like I can have multiple people talking and then it could switch to multiple ones. That would make things make more sense. So why don't we actually, on top of data voice, we'll add data character of the voice, which it should be right there. And then we can use that to show and hide the image. Data voice. Oops. Dot voice. Oh, no. What am I doing? I need to go to the shit. I need to go to... Oh, it's the voice part of the block? I think it's part of the block. Motherfucker. Yes, it is. So I also need to add data character. My ear just popped. And then I need the character. Do I have the character? Meta voice. Explore character. Post slug? That should work. Post slug. This is just returning the voice though. Got the term ID. Maybe we'll set character as well. We'll use slug. And then we'll do kind of the same shit. Select the character. Hell yeah. Definitely. Big things, my friend. Host slug is coming from selected term. So you. Yeah, let's try that. Selected term, term name, term slug. Yeah. Oh wait, that's the class name. Wait, is that the class name? No. Oh yeah, MC. Oh, well then I already have the person. I don't have to do any of this. My bad. So instead of this, I can just do a clean class name on next dialogue. From overtook purple off their site. Oh shit, did they? That's a bummer. There's a lot of them out there. Just got whatever high fucking speed PLA. But that is kind of a bummer. Where is, so it's right here. So next dialogue, right here. Next dialogue. That would be this. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, so I'm not doing any cleanup there. What am I doing? Where the fuck am I doing this? Here. Yeah, instead of this, it's next dialogue. Wait. So that's not even here. Where's... Oh, no, it's current. Current dialogue. Class name. Character equals class name. Replace. It's like the whole shebang. Yeah. Only 11 colors now. Orange, purple never work together. Oh, that's fucking dumb. I'm not okay with that. And then engage. Let's do this. And then we'll do a trim. Alright. So this should be the character's name now. So now I should be able to do my character L equals document dot query there. I think it's only one thing, right? Yeah, cut character. With data character. Yeah, that's about right. Now we'll do the character out. There she blows. Let's see if that works. D should work. Oh, okay. I'll take a brand new game. Oh shit. Oh shit. Go. Nope. Didn't work. You're a bitch. You're a stupid bitch. Okay, hold on. Let's figure out what I'm actually getting here. Well. I don't think I compiled. Is this even getting hit? Yeah, it should be. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. No? I must be in the wrong spot. Wait, if that's not where the talking's happening, then where the fuck is the talking happening? It's not in move dialog box? Cutscene. Close cutscene. Okay. Engage cutscene. Ba ba ba. If it's been viewed, false. Then move dialog box is definitely getting hit. If it's not an area cutscene. Okay. Is this even getting hit? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, So it's just not saying this is a thing. Cut character, engage. Oh, well that's the problem right there. It's not being engaged. I guess I need to put this at the beginning. I didn't even think about that. Right. Oh yeah, where's like the first... Oh, here it is. Make... If not the first... Yeah, where's first text? I remember I did that on purpose because I needed to like set it at first. Did I get rid of that? Why did I do that? So if... Oh, right. So this is first text. Wait, am I doing it in make talk? No, okay. So let's do it here. Well, let's do it. Add engage. We'll do it like this. Right. Right. And then we'll do it like this. Where this needs to happen every time. Right? Right. Alright, now it should work. Because it needs to start somewhere. And I think I already did that. I think I already engaged it. No, that was just to be the first. Yeah. I didn't engage the cut character. There we go. Welp. It worked for MC. It did not work for not MC. Snailed it. So it worked here. It did not work here. So I need to figure out... Is it just that the current... Current dialogue. Maybe current dialogue didn't change. Maybe. Is it not current dialogue? Alright, well, let's at least see what we're dealing with here. At least we're on the right track. MC. Salverson. Yeah, okay. Well, that worked. Is Salverson just not his fucking name? Hold on. Okay. Here's the cutscene. Salverson. And we already agreed that this being engaged works. Right? Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's a whole styling thing for his... Yeah, let's figure that out. Okay, no. Everything's working. This'll work. We just need to figure out the whole image size issue that's going on for cutscenes. Sure. That will be inside. Let's go to the Explore class. And let's look for a cutscene. Yeah. So first off, this can't be like this. I don't know why I'm doing it like this, but I'm just hard coding it right now. So yeah, I'll fix that. Bit. Where's data char? That's data. Oh, cut character. Here we go. So it looks like I'm not defining a size. I'm getting the post thumbnail. Full. Wait, full size. Let's see if this works. Now that I'm defining a size. No. Still doesn't care. You're a little bitch. Oh, you know what? I might have gotten rid of his feature image. Now that I think about it. I don't think I did, actually. Shouldn't matter. Full size is still 1:1. Why? I ask you why. It's definitely not. Intrinsic is 77 by 150. Why would it come out at 1:1? That's coming from WordPress. That's really weird. Well, I guess we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. We'll use the URL, and we'll actually set this as an image. And we'll have to do like a whatever. We'll have to style it. So what is it? Cut character image. We'll have to just define it. Cut character image. Contain. Okay. Is that true? I feel like that's not true. Oh, maybe because it had to define width and height. Okay, maybe now that it doesn't, it'll work. Yeah, I'll get the Crisco. Go. There we go. Yeah, now it's just using its full size. Not what I want though. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, so what do we gotta do here? I think contain is good. But that's not contain. Technically, that's not contain. Interessante. Why is it doing that? Huh. Yeah, it's like it's not actually paying attention to the contain flag. Is it because the width? No. It don't care none. Yeah, it doesn't have anything set. This is definitely set. No, it definitely cares about the width. But not the height. Oh, do I got to put a height 100%? There we go. That's what it is. And then let's float it to the right or something. It's kind of weird that there's like a bunch of space. Or maybe we could still do like a margin right at 1 rem or something. Give it a little breathing room. Yeah, there we go. Sizing's still weird. Good. And that's coming from the feature image, I think. Yeah, because I'm using a thumbnail. So that means I can define it whatever I want it to be, which is good. But mine is not. So where is the MC? Here we go. So this needs to come from the actual MC. So let's get MC equals get post. Posts. Post type equals explore character. I always get this name, but post name equals MC. I want to say post per page is 1. And then we'll do one of these. Well, we'll go in here and we'll do the same shit. Oh. Post thumbnail URL. And we'll do MC. Yeah, right. That should work. Go, go. Damn it. Alright, what am I doing for myself? What did I do to myself? It's not post name, is it? I can never remember. I'm the worst. Where is mine? Where's the MC? Map character. Yeah, these are all mine. Where's the thingy doodad? Oh, it's inside here, isn't it? Ain't it? Where's the cutscene? Yeah, here we go. Oh, it did work. Okay. But it's massive. Okay. Oh, maybe my cut character styling. Yeah, I need to put this on the outside. That way it'll apply to both. Oh, I have it right here too. I guess I could just shoot this shit in there. There we go. That should work. Why not, I say. That is what she said, I agree. Oh shit, he's big. Well, I guess it doesn't work so well when there's no constraint. Hold on. Okay, so let's put a hundo on here. No, not here. Let's put a hundo on. Wait, where is it? Default map. You. Where's my MC? I obviously passed it. Here. So if we do engage. Oops. Okay. So that'll work. And that's because width is 100. This is 100 as well. So this cannot be 100. Why did I make it so big? I guess I didn't make it so big. Here we go. I guess I assumed it would be like this. Oop. Yeah, let's try it now. Yay! There we go. So it looks like mine's a little bit closer than the rest. So left 12 is a little bit too much, it looks like. Let's just do left 0. Oh, that's not enough. Let's do left 5%. I don't fucking know. I'm just winging it at this point. Yeah, that's pretty good. Sure. Looks like the top is a little wonky, but... Oh, here we go. Let's make it 0. Yeah, it's still a little tall. Yeah, can't be much shorter though. Okay. I think we're good. I think we can push this up. Alright, we got talking again. Or dialogue images. That's good. Good win. Good win. Let's push an update to you. You. We made the updates. Though I don't think I needed to. I didn't change anything actually for this one. Maybe I just cleaned something up. It's good. I don't have it hard coded anymore too, so that's good. Yeah, I think this is it. Fuck it, eh? It's in Audible, right? Yeah, okay. Let's see if you work now. Talking. Oh, yeah. There we go. It's kind of big, though. Wait, what? Wait, what the fuck? Am I using his image as my feature image? Apparently I'm using his image as my image. Hold on. That's not right. Yes, what she said. I agree with you. Even with the lag, I agree with you. Let's go. Oh, maybe I don't even have an MC character. No, I do. Yeah, I do. Duh. Let me... I don't think I have a feature image, though. What the fuck? Where are my... Oh, okay, I'm like, where the fuck are my images? Oh, that's weird. I'm using a feature image. Why isn't it working? That's weird. Why is it using his image? That don't make no sense. How about this? Set. Save. Refresh. Talk. Yeah, what the fuck? Why is his image coming up as mine? Wait, why is Salverson... No, that's not Salverson. Why am I getting Salverson as my image? That's really weird. Super weird. Yeah, it was just working for me, right? Let me see what we got going on here. Cutscene trigger. Okay, MC. Yeah, it's still coming up as Salverson. What the fuck? MC. MC. Maybe post name's not working like I thought it was. Let's double check. Get posts. Name. See? I always get it wrong. It's not post name, it's name. Let's try that. I think it was just lucky that I was grabbing the right one. Yeah, I think I'll call it tonight after this works. Oh, man. I'm ready for Friday, dude. Sounds like a fun day. Who's ready for Friday? That's what I'm always wondering. There we go. Yep. Punching down. Size is still weird. I should put a max height. Like a max height of 300? Right? 248 by 300. Yeah, max height of 300. Where am I? I have a max. I have a width. Let's put a max height 300. Just so it kind of fits in with everything else. Yep. Yeah. I follow myself. You've been able to do it for years. It doesn't do anything. There's no like way to contact people that are following you. The only thing it does is let you know when a new book comes out or goes for pre-order or something like that. But, you know, if you care about that, then it's very helpful. All right, one more. And then this is the final countdown. Thanks. Wow. And if anybody is watching this in the future, get your flex keys. Support the channel. Be like Game Doodle. Get two. And buy these. Buy these books so you can anticipatorily wait for book 3. I get any new reviews? 62, 7, 48? No, I think that's it. Seems the same. Alright, go. And styling. No, it didn't push. Maybe it did. Nope, wrong one. Nope. Nope, hasn't pushed yet. Try again. Go. Nope, hasn't pushed yet. Come on, you little bitch. Oh, it's still uploading. Maybe 4. That's true. You will have 4. Get 4. Be like Game Doodle. Attempt to get 4. As soon as all the colors are available. Trademark's still going through. That's a really long process. They haven't even like examined it or whatever, so that takes a really long time. That's why people have TM on their fucking logos forever. Why is this taking so long? I'm scared. Yeah. Amazon. Well, yeah, I wonder. I think some of the high speed filament. I do know some of the good ones out there. So like eSun's good. I like eSun. Elegoo's obviously #1 as far as like quality is concerned, but they're not the cheapest. Never heard of these guys. That's a lot of filament though. What is that? 30? What? Oh, this is 10. Okay. Yeah, which ends up being like 13 bucks. You know. 13 bucks isn't bad. But that's purple and orange in it. Never heard of you. Yeah, this rando Joys and more. I don't know, maybe they're okay. It's kind of hard to find like bad filament. I definitely have some white. The only reason why I've used some bad filament is because it's not high speed. Like it was like 300 MMS instead of 600. Show you the one. Let's look for color. Purple. Flash forward. How about glow in the dark? Any cubic. Yeah. If I was gonna buy it, I would, you know, let's stop fucking around. If I was gonna buy it. I'd go for... Pew! Purple is not cheap. This is 0.2 millimeter. That's pretty good. What's the speed though? It says higher strength and no, it doesn't say high speed though. What's the first one that says actual high speed? Oh my god, it's expensive. Here we go. First one. Rapid PLA. These 300 isn't even that fucking fast. Unfortunately. It's doable, but it doesn't come out great. Moisture proof. PETG. I haven't used PETG yet. If the one with the 10 colors is the one, no. Yeah, I know, you gotta make everything glow in the dark then. Wow, purple is a piece of shit. Why is purple so expensive? Oh, this one's 600. I mean, Elegoo's gotta be cheaper than that. PLA... Rapid PLA Plus. Just gotta get it, man. Does Elegoo not have fucking purple? They have orange. I'm not. Then I guess they don't have it in purple. Interesting. I guess purple's just a weird color. It must just be hard to get. So I guess the price is fair. Yeah, I guess this is it. What do we got here? We got, yeah, 0.2, that's good. 0.02, non-tangle, that doesn't matter. Eggplant. The universe doesn't want you to have purple. No, this is actually pretty good though. True high speed, 600. How's the... Yeah, it's got great reviews. And it's the cheapest I can fucking find. Alright, well, here's... Here, I'll give you a better thing. Here's a link that you can use to get me money. There you go. Use that link. And that'll even give me money. And then orange, I mean, I guess you can go for the same thing. I can find a cheaper orange, actually. 19 is a lot. There's a bunch of oranges. And then orange. Low to high. Huh? What do we got here? Superior toughness, PLA plus, 500's good. Two-day, good reviews. Hyperpele. It's a good orange. Very pizza. And here's your orange. Boom. There she blows. And let's finish this off with a hearty perfect size. What? Why are you still too big? Contain. Why does contain not work? Even with... Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. 100. Wait, what happened to my fucking styling I just did? Max height. Didn't I just fucking push you? Did I not push it? Oh, it's like frozen. What the fuck? Uh-oh. What happened, dude? We have an issue. We might have to shut this down. Quit. I know you didn't want me to, but you were frozen AF, dude. Though I could have added more issues to my life. Mm-hmm. Let's try this again. Alright, good. I didn't try to push it, so it should be good. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Not what I wanted at all. Wait, why is it doing that? The fuck? Max height. Yeah, and then this is contain. Wait, didn't this just happen? Oh, it's because I put yeah, I put height 100% though. Why are you not working? Height is 100%. Doesn't care. What the fuck? Is it because it's... Oh my god, I forgot how long this cutscene is. Just let me do my thing. Alright. Why is he still so low? Why you do that? So bottom, you know. Whatever. I'll fix this again later. Hey, everybody. And by everybody, I mean Game Doodle. Thanks for jumping on, man. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Made some good progress. We got the images back. And everything's looking pretty good. But, yeah, we'll do a lot more with the time given. And, I'll catch you in the next one. Everybody have a great night. Anybody watching in the future, watching this as a VOD, make sure to subscribe and follow if you haven't. And if you want, come say hi to me in person. I know I stream at a weird time for some people, but yeah, hit me up in the Discord too. Check out the website, orbemorder.com, orbem.shop, orbem.games, all those good things. Yeah. got some Porsches working, and flexkeys.shop as well. That's always a good one. And yeah, make sure you hit up all the good stuff. But I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good night. Happy Wednesday, Tuesday. See